The Ukrainian 425th Separate Assault Battalion is using tanks and BMP M2A2 Bradley to clear a building with Russian positions before deploying an assault group in Toretsk. Prior to this, apartments with Russians were thoroughly hit by FPV drones and the Baba Yaga UAVs. A Russian mechanized assault on the Kharkiv front was repelled by Ukraine's 92nd Assault Brigade. Russians used a T-72 tank and 2 BMP-2s. Another Ukrainian unit has successfully started using the latest Ukrainian Dragon drones at the front. Russian soldiers watch as a Ukrainian FPV drone burns Russian positions with the help of thermite in the eastern direction. The breakthrough of the column of the 51st Airborne Regiment of the Russian Army to the village of Snagost in the Kursk region. The first large-scale attempt at a counterattack on the Kursk front has begun. Video of an armored column with at least 8 tanks and armored vehicles from the Russian VDV's 51st Airborne Regiment assaulting Snagost in Kursk Oblast. It appears Russia was able to get the armored force across the Siem River, despite Ukrainian strikes on the bridges.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.